This cornbread won't even last an hour out of the oven. Oh, it's so good. Oh, wow. Usually cornbread is a side dish, but in this house, it's a main because I will eat the whole pan, sometimes by myself. I know I'm little, but these britches expand. So let's jump in and make this cornbread now. Starts with all-purpose flour. We're gonna mix all of our dry ingredients together. Every drop counts. I have some cornmeal, yellow cornmeal, just the ground cornmeal in the store. It's the standard yellow cornmeal. Then add in some sugar, just some regular white sugar. This will sweeten things up, but also add the perfect texture. Baking powder, make it nice and fluffy and not too dense. Salt. What's wrong with my bowls? It's like a magic trick. And whisk it together. The second part, the wet ingredients. I have buttermilk. I've tried buttermilk, I've tried regular milk. Buttermilk just adds this almost like subtle little bit of tang that complements the touch of sweetness of the cornbread. Then I have some avocado oil. You can also use canola oil. And another trick of the trade for the best cornbread ever is I do some oil and some butter. And that's really important. The butter adds flavor, but the oil makes the cornbread a little bit more moist. Vanilla extract, more flavor. And I almost forgot, honey. So I've also experimented with just white sugar or just honey. The two together make the perfect cornbread. If you just use honey, the cornbread browns a little bit too much. If you just use sugar, it doesn't have enough flavor. And the binder, 2 eggs. That was a very disgusting noise. Mix this together until it's nice and combined. Actually, probably would work better to use this whisk. So now I'm holding both. Dries in the wets. And now we're gonna use the spoon and just mix it together until it's all combined. There may be a couple lumps though, and that's fine. Okay, I have an 8x8, I forgot what this is called, baking dish, and I greased it. And we're just gonna dump all this goodness in and then smooth out the top. And then it'll be time to bake. And it'll turn into this delicious, perfectly sweet, not too sweet, moist, amazing cornbread. Kind of like pancake batter. See how it's already getting puffy from the baking powder and that buttermilk reacting. Science. Okay, 375 degrees, 22 to 26 minutes. Let's do it. I can't wait. Double stack for me. But to try, I have a perfect little piece. Oh wow. Oh my. I'm gonna have about 40 other big bites because that is the single best cornbread ever. So moist, perfectly sweet, everything that you want. Check this out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. Oh my goodness gracious, I've been waiting all day. Ah!